Hello students, in this lesson we are going to discuss the answers for our geometry questions. If you are not done, then please refer the previous video, complete the problems, here you will get the answers. And before we begin, hit subscribe now so you don't miss any easy math hack from me. And to join our live class, do check out the link in the description. So let's begin our challenge number 19 problem. The very first one is in the figure below. The data, as per the data, please mark it out first. EMG equals to 90 degree. GMD, this side is taken as Y degree. CME is taken as EX. And Y degree, Y is half of your X. So let's substitute, which is nothing but 2Y equals to X. So let's take this as a straight angle, which means sum of the three angles will be equal to 90 degree. So X, I'm substituting it as 2y plus 90 plus y equals to 180 degree. Then 3y will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 3y equals to 90 degree by 3, which gives you 30 degree. Now the question is not finding your y. Fn is you have to find, which is Fn is this angle. Okay, and another one is FNR, this angle. These two angles you have to find. So now let's apply the corresponding angle concept. To apply that, we should know this angle as well as this angle. We know already that this angle is nothing but your X angle because it is vertically opposite. So X is nothing but 2y. So X is nothing but 60 degree. Then FNS will also be equal to 60 degree. Now, in order to find FNR, you need not go for the first parallel line because we can use a linear pair concept to get the FNR angle, which is 120 degree, right? So we want FNS is to FNR. So 60 is to 120 degree, which is nothing but 1 is to 2. So the ratio between the two angles is 1 is to 2. Simple. Right? Coming to the next one, in a triangle PQR, this is P, this is Q, this is R. P is 40, this is 60. Find the R angle. Simple. Interior angle sum property. So 40 plus 60 is 100 plus R angle equals to 180 degree. So angle R is nothing but 80 degree. Very simple question which you can solve it in few seconds. So the next problem, ABC, A and C are 50 degrees. So draw the figure A, B, C. Here A angle and C angle both are same, which is 50 degree. What it denotes, if the two angles are same, then the opposite side will also be same. So AB will be equal to BC. So which means the longest side is AC. Here the details about the other two sides are not given. If it is given, we can find the value of AC. But in this question, they are simply asking what is the longest side alone. So the longest side is your AC. Remember, you have to specify the alphabets A, C correctly. Suppose if you, instead of taking like this, if you have taken like B, A, C, then the answer will differ, then you will go wrong. So make sure you specify the names of the angles in the same order that has been given in the question. I hope you found this lesson easy and simple. If you have any doubts, then do let me know in the comment section, and also let me know which is the next topic that you would like to go for. Okay, I'll see you again with the next interesting math hack and a useful math lesson. Thank you.